Above your ass!
One day I was driving along when out of the blue I heard a horn continuously blowing. Traffic has a green light, but Dirk the Jerk here is casually sitting and blocking this trucker. At this point, I yelled at him as loud as I could.
Above your ass!
But he ignored me and kept sitting there chill, looking straight ahead like the cocky, arrogant prick that he is.
Above your ass! Wow. That guy's being a jerk.
I decided to turn around and go back to the scene in case the incident was still going on. But by the time I could get turned around, Dirk the Jerk was long gone. But the trucker was stopped at the same light, which is now red. It's obvious that Dirk the Jerk sat and blocked the trucker until the green light ended, leaving the trucker stuck through another light cycle. His attitude over being honked at was about as pathetic as having to take out a loan for a roll of toilet paper. Don't forget to subscribe. You do not want to miss out on more excitement.